Good evening everybody, my name's Lisa Aynsley and I'm Chair of the Alnwick Chamber of Trade. As you can see, it's all sparkly behind us. We're very excited to be bringing the light installations to you guys tomorrow night. I just want to say a huge thank you to everybody who donated to the GoFundMe appeal, all the individuals and the businesses, and another big thank you needs to go to Mark and his team at Alnwick Garden. I'd also like to extend a huge thanks to Northumberland County Council and Northumberland Estates for your generous funding awards, because without all of that, none of this would have been possible. I think you'll all agree it's bringing some much needed sparkly cheer to us all this year, and I look forward to seeing you all downtown looking at the wonderful shop windows and the light installations.
Hi, I'm Mark Brassell, Director of the Alnwick Garden, and we're here today testing the projections and the lighting that's going to go into the Market Square for the first 2 and a bit weeks of December. Hopefully bringing a lot of Christmas cheer and festivity after what's been a tumultuous year. It's been fantastic to work with such a great team who put the lights in. It's been great for the garden to work with the Alnwick Light team, the Chamber of Trade, the Alnwick Town Council team. It's been a culmination of a lot of people coming together, and that's what it's about. And hopefully we can give 2020 a good send-off.